Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Philippa and I'm a crafter in Australia. Today for my new video, I'm going to do something a bit exciting. This is my first unboxing video. While I was looking at so for those who missed my previous video, I have a broken arm, and what I thought was going to be my summer holidays over Christmas doing a lot of making didn't happen. So I spent all my time on YouTube watching crafty videos to get me through a difficult period, and also to brush up on techniques and learn how to do new things. And what I saw was some videos of people who had some boxes from Your Creative Studio. Now, I'm not a subscriber, but I went to their website and I found a couple of boxes that I thought looked really interesting. And this is their Wildflower Collection. I have no idea what's in it. I'm very excited. So I thought, I've been holding on for the last 2 days without opening it. I thought I'd do it on video. So some of you may have already seen what's in it, and that's fine, but this is new for me. And I'm just going to, tore that paper then. I'm just going to pull this out and I'm going to open it as carefully as I can, given my handicap at the moment. Ooh, and I'm going to move that over there, and we're going to open this up and see what's inside. Very nice paper that it's wrapped up in. Okay, I might actually just turn this paper sideways and see what have we got here. So this is 60 pieces of paper, and the paper is quite thin. I don't know if it's a handmade paper, but there's lots of different patterns there that look very pretty. You can see it's called Cottage Garden. So there seems to be 2 of each pattern, and yeah, that's really lovely. And they're good sizes for layering things on. What's this? This is, I have no idea. Well, let's just open the box and find out. And I apologize in advance for anyone who is frustrated by how slowly I do things. My dominant hand is in a sling. So, oh, this is little tags. Oh, yep. Some of them have writing and some don't. Some have lines and things. Very handy. What's this? Roll of washi tape. It says washi 14. I want to rip the envelopes there. Everything's beautifully packaged. So this one has, see if I can roll a little bit out. Has some floral design. It's got some white writing and a neutral background. Very lovely. Oh, this one next. Oh, this is, it's like vellum images. Of flowers and jars and things like that. Oh, all right, so the ones at the front are black and white, but then there's some for the back that have colour. Oh, and there's some full colour ones. Very nice. I have a good, oh, and that looks like it's perforated, so, okay. I'll have a good look at that later on, but yes, very lovely. And some of those would look quite nice, I think, maybe over, you know, something like that. Now this looks like tickets with different images on them, and it's in a holder. And I am not going to try and rip that plastic open right now. It would be very undignified for me to try and do that on camera with a broken arm. But it looks really lovely, those images. So I will perhaps show them on camera another time. The Pursuit of Happiness. I have no idea what this is. I guess having no idea what they normally send, I can't even anticipate what some of this stuff might be. like little tickets. It's a book of little vellum tickets by the look of it. Yeah, these are, I don't know if you can see that, but these are translucent. And they're to all kinds of different things, different colors, different texts, different orientations. Some of them are whole tickets and some of them are cut off. So yay, that looks fun. Oh, I did see the other video I saw had stamps. So this is cling stamp number 29. Oh, there's a few in there. All right. So we have, let's move it over, some little flower stamps. So it's a set of matching flowers. I don't know if they're all the same type of flower in different stages of bloom, but that's all very lovely. And then here's another stamp. This is number 28. This one doesn't seem to want to open as easily. Oh no, there it is. Oh, that's nice. I love image and script together. So that is a flower or some leaves. I think there's a bit of a flower there over a bud, and then there's some text over it. That's my kind of stamp. Now here we have, it says deco stickers, and I'm just wondering if they are washi tape stickers. They could be. They've got the white edge around them, so that's, I think they call that kiss cut. But that's leaves and flowers and things again, so it goes with the whole set. Very nice. Now what's this? It looks like journal cards. I don't even know what that is. Yeah, so they're double-sided patterns, and there's quite a few of each. I'm not sure how many different designs there are, but there's a number of them. Paper Ephemera, it's called. Well, those are lovely. And you could layer up with several of the other things, or you could feature them on their own. I could feature them with some of my coffee dyed papers that I've already shown you. Now this is obviously another kind of sticker. Pretty. I have no idea what kind of stickers they are. Now these look like papers, and I'll just have a quick look. So it's paper ephemera and trademark paper. I don't know what the difference is other than the shape, but I'll have a quick look. This looks like little square sheets of paper. So let me just quickly open this. Oh, this might be sticker paper. I'll have to have a good look. It's quite thick and it's got a smell of adhesive. I think this might be sticker paper, but I'll have to investigate further. But beautiful designs. Each one is different. Yeah. All right, well, I will definitely investigate that further. And then this is the last one. Ephemera pack. Paper ephemera, sorry. That's lovely too. You could use that, cut that up. And this is a very thin paper. Thinner than, you know, printer paper. Standard printer paper, I would say. And lots of different designs there. Several of each design, but again, toning with the whole set, you know, the muted sort of earthy neutrals and the nice flowers with a slight purpley burgundy hint. Again, part of my colours. And yeah, really lovely. So if I go from there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like 4 of each one. Well, there you have it, the beautifully coordinated design from your creative studio. This is called Vintage Wildflowers, and I think it was their December box, but they do have some still available on their website. So well, they did when I ordered this a couple of weeks ago, and it's just arrived. So if you are interested, check it out. If you are not a subscriber, you might be lucky and they still have some left. And yeah, check it out. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll put a link to your creative studio below. Thank you. Catch you next time.